How to hide a page from the navigation menu in Hostinger Website Builder. Hello guys and welcome to this new tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can hide any type of page or a specific page from the navigation bar or the header menu into your Hostinger website. So the process is going to be very simple and easy. We are going to head over hostinger.com, sign in for an account, and then we are going to see the dashboard. Once you are here, what are we going to do is basically to head over the websites. Then we're going to have the websites list. Now we are going to click on it and we are going to wait for the menu of the websites to show up. Once you are here, we are going to have our website edited by clicking on edit website and make sure that you have the Hostinger logo in here and not the WordPress. Click on edit website and we are going to wait for the website to load up. It will not take a lot of time from you. So now we're going to have the website. As you can see, we have this specific header, we have the sections that we have added, and etc. Now, let's say that I want to add an item or a page from this navigation area. How we can do that? I have hidden a lot of pages from it. As you can see, it is going to be obvious because no header is going to contain only two options. So basically, we are not going to edit the header, but we are going to head over the page's navigation. Click on here, and you're going to see the main navigation or the header. So as you can see, we have the two pages, and we're going to scroll down a little bit until we can read hidden from navigation. So these pages are going to be accessible through the search engines as long as you're not going to put them hidden from the search engine, but they are not going to be in the navigation. How we can add the, let's say, um, unhidden pages or showing pages to the hidden from the navigation in here. You have two options. Either you are going to drag and drop, for example, the element from here and scroll down until you see the hidden from navigation and drop it here. So it is going to be hidden. Or you can go ahead and click on the settings and then you're going to have hide from navigation and you're going to hide it. So remember that when you are going to hide the last element that you have on the header will disappear. So I'm going to have my home back, so the header is going to be appearing again. That was all for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. I hope that you have enjoyed the content and I hope to see you soon on the next one.